YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy JM Kicks, aka John Grams. I'm finally coming back after a long hiatus on this channel. I want to come back and remix my channel a little bit with a little bit of a saucier content. For all you that don't know, I make beats. So what I'm finna start doing is I'm finna start throwing my beats behind the videos. Yep, and without further ado, we got a Air Jordan 1 today. This is from December 30th, 2021 in the United States. I believe this pair came from overseas because I had on them on StockX. You all can probably guess what this is right here by the tag what we got right here. Black Varsity Red, White Noir, Blanc, and Varsity Rogue. You can tell by the box is a little shiny. This is a special pickup. Special far as actually trying to get your hands on them, but they actually made about 100,000 pairs of these. And we got them, the patent bred ones, 2021. See, we got the patent leather all the way around, wrapping that whole shoe with the red and the black. Got this neoprene tongue, Nike Air on the front, you dig? Man, they kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. They on point. Get the other one out. This one is the, well, before that, as you see, StockX verified. Far as the authentication of it, we're gonna just let the quality ride and see where it go, you know what I mean? We got the red Jumpman on this one, like the metal hang tag is like metal. You see how it latches on? Let's see if I can get it. Come on now. This needs to focus. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. This one, like I said, from StockX. It looked like it came from Nike Korea. See if I can focus in on that. You all can see that. As far as the authenticity of how they do they legit checks and whatnot overseas at StockX, man, you know, I always just say look at the quality and we'll let it ride. But these days, if you don't get it from the store, you'll never really know. Family on the inside, and it's on both of these. It's pretty dope. You know, red Nike at the bottom. You can peep that, peep that. You dig, you dig. Follow me on Instagram at John Grams, man. I post pictures and more updates if you guys want to keep up to date with me a little quicker than I am on YouTube. This is going to be probably my first actual video this year. I think I dropped a beat video a couple days ago. Make sure y'all go check that out. But I think what I really want to start doing is trying to put maybe like one or two videos a week. Try to keep it moving like that. Man, these are dope. Yeah, these are dope. Air Jordan 1 patent bred, man. They probably gonna do the shadows and the royals and go down the whole assembly line. I'm sure of it. But yeah, man, that's the inside look on these. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll put everything in the bio so you all can find it. All right. Y'all take care. See y'all in the next video. Happy 22 and beyond. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.